How much money?
I don't know. 70,000 last month?
Fuck.
I'm serious.
Yeah, no, I'm serious too. Seriously, how much money?
I told you. 70,000. Well, technically 72,000.
The real question is this. Was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not.